What if your hotel could take reservations, proceed payments, send reminders, and issue refunds all through WhatsApp completely automatically 24 by 7 with zero human involvements, no receptionist, no missed messages, no mutual work, just a fully automated AI concierge handling everything while you sleep. And the best part is not a single line of code. Now let me show you exactly what we are building before we build it. If I send hi, then we will receive our main menu. We have message, welcome to Ulashian Grand Hotel. I am Ilara, your personal concierge. Browse rooms, my reservations, create reservations, update and cancel. We will go for create one. We can also reply with the number 3 or with create reservation or only create. To find your perfect room, please share check-in date, check-out date and number of guests. So with the help of these dates and number of guests, he will provide us with all the available rooms that will meet the criteria of status, maximum capacity of guests and the available dates, right? So here we will reply with 25 March to 26 and guests will be, now we will get all the available rooms. He will go and search for all the available rooms and reply with, now we have maximum guest capacity is 3 for the room number R003, R004, price per night and all the necessary details. Which room would you like to reserve? Please reply with the room ID. But we can reply with the digit as well. For example, we select the number 3. That one is room R005. Enter. And here you can see the reservation summary. Room, check-ins, check-in out dates, check-out date and guests, total amount that we have prepared. As we have selected 25 March to 26, that's why the amount is $60. If we stay 2 nights, then the amount will be 60 multiplied by 2, right? As $60 per night. Alright. So here we have to provide all the details, for example, full name, age, gender, and country. So provide with the details, John Doe, age 33, and country will be China. Enter. Before we confirm your reservation, I need a few more details, gender, because we have not provided the gender and we will provide it as male. So who would you like to pay? Pay online or pay at check-in? So we will select the pay online, reservation ID, room, check-in, check-outs, guests, payment method, pay online. A secure payment link will be sent shortly. Your reservation is held for 30 minutes. So payment method is pay online using Stripe. Here we can see inside the guest sheet, he has successfully updated the guest sheet with the newly added guest, and the AI has also added the reservation as well. All the details, payment method Stripe, pending, payment and total price, and check-in check-out dates, right? So after a minute, we have received the Stripe payment link. Upon clicking on the payment link, we will be redirected to the Stripe checkout for the payment. That was $60 for 1 night stay, right? Here is the name, product name as hotel reservation. We will provide all the details. We will provide a test card and for test purpose. And here you can see we are redirecting to the WhatsApp. And we are on computer, that's why he is not able to automatically redirect it to the WhatsApp. But if we were on mobile, then he will definitely open the WhatsApp application. We'll close this and we have already opened the tab. Here you can see reservation confirmed. Payment has been received for your reservation. Thank you for choosing Election Grand Hotel. We look forward to welcoming you. Perfect. And here you can see the payment status is updated to paid, right? And here we have the Stripe payment intent ID, right? And we can also create another reservation as well. We can cancel a reservation. We can update a reservation. If I write as update reservation, then we will get a message. You have no reservation available to modify. Reservation paid online cannot be updated. To make changes, please cancel and create a new one. We can cancel the reservation as well if we have paid already, but if we have created a reservation with the pay at check-in, then we will definitely able to update the reservation. So we will also create a reservation using pay at check-in and we will definitely update it, right? So currently we will cancel this reservation. We will reply with number 1 that we want to cancel. Here you can see your reservation has been cancelled. Refund of $60 has been initiated. It will reflect in 5 to 7 business days. And if we go back to the sheets, here you can see the payment as refunded, right? So we have successfully refunded the $60. So now we will check the updated reservation. So for this purpose, we will go to the menu, or we can write as create a reservation. We will check the create reservation with pay at checking. The payment method from 25 March to 28, and guests will be 4. We will get all the available rooms, the list, and those rooms that have the capacity of 4 guests are 301, 302, and 401. And 301 is under maintenance. That's why we will get only 302 and 401. And here you can see room ID number R007 and R008. Perfect. And if we select as R007, here we have the reservation summary from 25 to 28 with 3 nights, and the cost for 3 nights will be multiplied by 3. That will be $300. And here is the total amount. We will select the payment method as pay at check-in, and our reservation will be confirmed and will be added. If we go to the reservations, here you can see our first reservation was refunded and status was cancelled because we have cancelled the first reservation. And the second reservation with 300 total price and payment pending, and payment method is pay at check-in, and the status is confirmed, right? So here you can see reservation ID, room, check-in dates, all the details. And we can also go to the menu and we will update the reservation that are currently active. And that is the second one. We will select the R007 that we want to update. Please provide the new check-in and check-out dates. So we will provide it as 25 March to 26, right? And here you will see the total price will be updated. And here you can see is then to the 100, right? And we have the message your reservation has been updated. New check-in, check-out dates, and the new total price is updated to 100. Perfect. Now we have successfully checked for the browse rooms, my reservations feature, create reservations, update reservation, and cancel reservation, right? Now we will check for the reservation reminder feature. So we will go to the n8n and here we will manually trigger the reservation reminder, right? Because we have set the time as 9 a.m. and we can't wait for 9 a.m., right? So we will manually trigger. The check-in date is 25 and current date is 24, right? So we should get the reminder for tomorrow for that specific reservation. So I will manually trigger this one and here we will get the reservation reminder message. Check-in tomorrow, reservation ID, Elation Grand Hotel, and room R007, check-in date, and all the necessary details. We look forward to welcoming you. Safe travels, right? So at every morning at 9 a.m., guests with tomorrow's check-in receive this automatic reminder, zero manual work, right? So this is a complete production ready system and you are building all of it today. What's up everyone, welcome back to Small Codes and today I will show you how to build a complete hotel reservation AI agent using WhatsApp, n8n, Google Sheets, Stripe and Google Gemini. From zero to fully working, by the end you will have an AI agent that registers and identifies guests, automatically shows available rooms and takes reservations, process payments and refunds via Stripe, sends automatic check-in reminders, onto WhatsApp, fully automated. Everything you just saw is live and production ready. This is not a concept. This is a real deployable system you can have running by end of this video. We are using n8n. n8n is a node-to-node automation tool. Each node does one job, receive, process. You connect them like building blocks and your workflow runs automatically on your own server. No code, no limits, full control. And if we go to the pricing section of n8n to use it on their own AI cloud, then these are the pricing that are $20 per month, $50 per month, and $800 per month. But if you want to explore it or for learning purpose, then you can go for the free trial that is free for a limited time. But if you want to make your n8n project live, then we will use a better option that will be hosting there. To run n8n 24/7, you need a reliable VPS. For that, you need to click the link in the description that will be hosting there /Usman codes. I will also display this affiliate link on the screen as well. And this is also reasonable in terms of cost if we compare it with n8n's official cloud. So here, when you will land on Hostinger, we will click on services and we will go inside the n8n VPS hosting. And here is the self-hosted n8n. You can see deploy n8n in only one single click, unlock unlimited workflows, launch unlimited concurrent executions, access community nodes, and much efficient pricing. And if we go down here, you can see the available deals. You have KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. And thanks to Hostinger for sponsoring and giving users very affordable pricing. For example, their KVM2 plan gives you dedicated CPU and RAM, 99.9% uptime, and gets n8n running in minutes. They gives 2 vCPU cores, 8 GB of RAM, 100 GB of NVMe disk space, and 8 TB bandwidth. And when you will use self-hosted n8n with Hostinger, and then you can create unlimited n8n projects. For example, if I click on KVM2, I will select this one. And here you can see we have KVM2 plan, VPS hosting, for period 24 months. Then you will select 1 month, then the cost will be high. But I will suggest you to select 24 months. For this case, you will get a minimum cost that is $799 per month, and you have daily auto backup option. Choose a server location. It will automatically select the nearest with best latency. And here we have select operating system optional, but we are using for n8n that is automatically selected for us. And Hostinger will do all the job for n8n for us. And here we have all the order summary details, and you can also apply a coupon code. I will provide you in the description as well. We will click on a coupon code, and you need to apply the coupon code as Usman codes. By applying this coupon code, you will get an extra additional discount with this coupon code. And here you can see we are getting a huge discount from 55 to 17 LMs, right? And you can see coupon code has been applied, and you can click on the continue. You will be redirected to the checkout page, the billing address, and the payment. You can type your payment details, enter your payment details, or you can go for PayPal as well, and you can submit payment, right? Very easy process. And after making the purchase, after completing the payment, you will be redirected to the Hostinger VPS page, the dashboard, or you can say the H panel of Hostinger, and you will get a button kind of setup. And when you will click on that setup button, then you will be redirected to a page where he will ask for the creating a password. You can create a password there, and then he will show some options like malware scanner. Then select it, and when you will click on finish setup, then it will take 1 to 2 minutes, and then it will be ready for you. And after that 2 minutes of setup, you will be redirected to the this page. Here you will see the n8n built on Ubuntu 24.04 Docker Manager Manage App button, and here you will get some options like how to update n8n, changing the domain for n8n, resetting the user password, right? And here you have Ubuntu KVM2 running, root access, SSH, root, change password option, reboot VPS. But here we will simply go for the manage app, and we will set up the n8n, right? So here we will need to create an account on n8n. After creating your account, you will get a helping questions dialog. You can simply skip it. I will click on get started. Get paid features for free forever. Yes, we will definitely get the paid features for free forever. We will provide our email link, and we will provide our email and click on send me a free license key, right? Your license key is on the way. Check your email. Right. We will go inside our Gmail account and copy that key. We are inside our Gmail account, and here is the incoming email. We will click on activate key link, activate license key. After clicking that button, we will be redirected to the n8n user gen plan page, right? Activated it, and you are on the community edition, and we got the registered tag, right? So we have successfully used that key, and we will go back to the dashboard, and here we will click on this button, expand sidebar, and we will get the overview, personal, chat, these three tabs. I will click on n8n, and here we will click on start from scratch, right? Now this will be our main workflow page, and from here we can click on add first step. These are the simple dashboard for our workflow. We have editor, executions, and evaluations. I will explain you each and everything. Don't worry at all. Just stay with me. First of all, we will edit my workflow as hotel reservation, hotel reservation, right? And then we will go for the first step. We will click on it, or we can go from here as well. And we will, as we are building a hotel reservation AI agent, so we need a chat trigger. For chat trigger, we will use on chat message, and here is the name when chat message received, right? We will test this trigger, and we are redirected to this chat UI. Then I will click hi. Here you can see node execution successfully, and action send message, session ID, chat input is high, right? But we will use a AI agent that will execute our chat, and he will respond us as well, like we use you can say we use Google Gemini, Grok, or we use chat GPT, kind of that. So we will click on plus icon, and here we will use the AI agent, and we will click on AI agent, and here are the options. Connected chat trigger node, we will keep this as it for now, and if we minimize it somehow, and if we keep it in center, if we collapse the sidebar, then we are good to go. And here inside the AI agent, we have options for connecting a chat model, connecting a memory, we can connect a tool as well, right? So what we will do, we will first connect our chat model. Here we will go for the Google Gemini. You can use the Grok, ChatGPT, and DeepSeek, but we will go for Google Gemini chat model. That will be more effective and also free to use. So here we will set up credentials for Google Gemini chat model. Here is the host provided already, and a load HTTP request domains all. We need to provide only the API key. So for Google Gemini API key, we will search it on Google Gemini API key, and we will be redirected to the get your Gemini API key to the aistudio.google.com. And if you have already created a account using the Google, then you will be redirected to this page. Otherwise, you can create a simple account using your Gmail ID, and you will get a option for Get API Key inside the Google AI Studio. I will click on Get API Key, and from here you can simply create a API key. I have already created a key for TripBuddy project. That was our previous project, and from here I will create a new one. Here you can give it a name, like we can give it the name as Hotel Reservation, Gemini project, create key. I will click on copy, and here we will provide API key, right? And before saving, let me check. Okay, everything is correct. We will click on save. Credentially successfully created and connected, tested successfully. That's mean we have successfully connected the Google Gemini API account. No thanks. And here we have added the Google Gemini chat model. And now when we will send the message as, let me, here I will write, hi, Usman is here. You can see our AI agent and Google Gemini chat model has been executed, and he has replied us. Inside the output, you can see, hi Usman, it's good to hear from you. How can I help you today? Right? This one is our message and this one is the response. But if I ask him again my name that I have already mentioned inside our first message, if I ask, what is my name? And here you can see workflow executed successfully, and here you can see the reply as an AI. I don't have access to personal information about you, so I don't know your name, right? So to remember the AI, to save our information so that our hotel reservation concept works perfectly, we need to attach a memory so he knows and remember our chat, right? We will click on the memory, we will select a memory, we will provide a brain to the AI agent for remembering the things and chat, right? We will click on memory, and here we will use the simple memory. We will click this one, and here connected chat trigger node, we will keep all the things as it, but here in place of 5, we will write the context window length as 9. It means he will remember our last 9 messages. We will click on the borders and it will automatically saved, right? So don't need to click on any save button, and nor we have, right? We will simply click on the edges here, right? And it will be saved, and we will go back as well. Now we have successfully attached the simple memory, and now I will again write it as, hi, Usman is here. And you can see our workflow is executing from chat message to AI agent, and from AI agent to Google Gemini, and from Google Gemini to AI agent and simple memory. So it's all the concept as node to node, connecting everything and working. Hi there, Usman. How can I help you today? I will ask again my name. Can you please tell my name? Our workflow is executing, and we will get a message based on what you said earlier. Your name is Usman. So that's mean we have successfully completed this workflow, and we come to know how these things are working and how we will set up everything, right? And how this n8n works. So this one is a simple concept, and now we will move to our actual project, that is photo reservation AI agent using WhatsApp, right? So as we are using chat messages, simple chat messages, but we will use the WhatsApp in place of this one. So we will delete this and we will click on plus icon and we will search for WhatsApp, right? So we will go inside the WhatsApp Business Cloud and here we have all the triggers. This icon will show, then you can see this icon with any node, then you should come to know that this one is a trigger. So this red icon, the energy icon, resembles a trigger, right? So all these are triggers. We will use the on message trigger, right? And we mostly use the trigger at the first step, first node, right? As you can see, let me go back here and show you. Here is the, and let me connect it to this one. And this one is the trigger node, right? And this one is the in first place or in first step, you can say it like, right? So I will open the WhatsApp trigger again, and here we have to provide the credentials. We have messages on trigger on. That's mean whenever we will send a message from WhatsApp, then this trigger will execute and each and every node connected to this WhatsApp will work, right? So we will click on setup credentials. And here we have to provide client ID and client secret, right? So for getting the client ID and client secret, we will click on read our docs. So you will come to know how you will get the client ID and client secret. So it's all about WhatsApp Business Cloud. To create credential for WhatsApp, you need the following meta assets: a meta developer account. You will click on this meta developer account link and you will be redirected to the meta developer sign up page. A developer account allows you to create and manage meta apps, including WhatsApp integrations. And that is the main thing. After creating the meta developer account, you will integrate the WhatsApp application, right? Set a meta developer account, all the details, a meta business portfolio will be required. Creating a meta developer account for this project is completely free. Only you have to spend your 10 to 15 minutes or maybe less than this, and you will create a meta developer account, right? So you can read this documentation page so you will understand it much better, right? And here I will click on this meta developer. You need a Facebook account, and on that, on the top of that, you will create a meta developer Facebook account, right? Step 1 is while logged into your Facebook account, you can create a separate Gmail, separate Facebook account for creating this meta developer account if you have not already created. So here I will click on this meta developer Facebook registration. And if I go back for showing you other steps, this one is the step 1 that we are going on, and these are step 2, step 3, and these are all very simple steps. So I will go back again, and here is the developer Facebook account. After creating the developer account with some steps, then you will be redirected to the developerfacebook.com and you will get a My Apps page. And on My Apps page, you will create an application and you will get this kind of UI here. I have already created an application, so I will click on it, and here if I show you, I will go inside the customize the connect with customers through WhatsApp. You need to integrate the WhatsApp with this developer Facebook account. After integrating the WhatsApp with this meta developer account, you will have these settings. All these settings, I will go inside the API setup. The main thing is it's completely free, right? This one is the main thing, and all other things are only the information that you will provide. You will have you should have a WhatsApp account number that will be a business account. So on that phone number, you should create a WhatsApp business account, and you will have a Meta developer account, and you will have to integrate that WhatsApp business account with this Meta developer account. And here you can generate a access token from here inside the API setup. And you will click on reconnect. After clicking the connect, then you will get a access token. Here you have the test number. You will be provided a test number for development purpose. After creating the Meta developer free account and integrating your WhatsApp business account with this Meta developer account. And here you will provide your WhatsApp business account phone number, and these are the main steps, right? Here we have to provide client ID and client secret. So we need to copy these two things. For client ID and secret, we will simply expand this and we will go inside the app settings and basic. And here we have the app ID and app secret. Maybe in first use, you find it very distracting and very unfamiliar dashboard, but when you will give some time to this one, and then you will definitely familiar to this Meta developer account. It's very simple to use. We will copy the app ID, we will provide it inside the client ID, and we will show the app secret. We'll provide the password. You need to copy your app ID and app secret from your own dashboard. I will change these things, and maybe I will not show these app ID and app secrets to you. So you need to use your own account, right? And here I will provide the app secret, client secret. And when I will click on save, then you will get the message as connection tested successfully, right? We will save it and we will go back. I will click on no thanks. And we have successfully created the credentials. So we will go inside the whatsapp.com and we will send a message to this test number, this one, that you will get after creating a Meta developer account, a test account for test purposes in free, right? So you need to send the message to this test number from your added WhatsApp business account, your own WhatsApp business account, right? So I will use that test number. I will use that test number to send the message from my recipient WhatsApp account that I have added here, right? And we will send the message to this test number. I am repeating again and again because this thing is important, right? We will click on execute workflow. We will click on execute workflow and we will go inside the WhatsApp business account. And here is the Elation Grand Hotel, the same test number that the Meta developer account has provided me, this one test number. And I am sending the message from this number that I have added inside this recipient phone number list, right? So I will send message to this test number from my added WhatsApp account inside the recipient phone numbers list. So I will send message from that added phone number. I will send hi. And here you can see our WhatsApp trigger has been executed. all the workflow, and here we have get a error in subnode simple memory. So we will adjust all these settings according to the WhatsApp trigger, because currently we are using WhatsApp trigger, and before we were using the uh, simple chat message, right? So we will change some settings, like we will use the define below instead of connected chat trigger. We will use define below, and inside prompt user message, we will use the here we will drag and drop inside the user message. We will copy it from WhatsApp trigger inside the messages, inside this text and body. Inside the body, we have user message that was hi, this one, hi, right? So we will copy this body, we will drag and drop it inside the user message, and it will be automatically converted to the JSON format, JSON.message 0 dot text dot body, right? And we will click outside, and after this after this AI agent, we will go inside the simple memory, and we will also make it as defined below. We will go inside the mapping. Inside the mapping, we have WhatsApp trigger, and we will also from here we will copy from the WhatsApp trigger the WhatsApp ID inside the contacts. We will drag and drop inside the key. Inside the session ID, we have defined below. Inside the key, we have json.contacts.whatsapp ID, and inside the context window length, we have 9. We will click outside. Now what we will do, we will again click on execute workflow, and go inside the WhatsApp business. Here we will again write a message as hi there. And if we go back, here we have the message and workflow executed successfully. Each and everything and all the nodes worked. We can see the tick as well inside the tools and memory, AI agent, and WhatsApp trigger node. And here you can see the message as hi, text hi there. And if I click on AI agent, we got the output as hi there, how can I help you today, right? But we don't want the output here. Obviously, we want the output inside the WhatsApp. So for getting the output inside the WhatsApp, we need to add a node after the AI agent. Here we will click on plus icon, and we will search for WhatsApp send message, right? We will go inside the WhatsApp business cloud, and here we will click on send message, right? And here inside the send message, what we will do, we will make it as messages, keep it as messages. We have operation as send, and before these two options, we have setup credentials that we need to set up first. We will click on setup, and here we need to provide access token and business account ID. The access token I have already showed you. I will again show you here inside the API setup, inside the my apps, inside the selected app, that is booking app, API setup, and this one is the access token. I will generate access token again, and I will click on reconnect, and with these two steps, we will get the access token. I will copy it from here, and keep it in mind that after a couple of hours, you can say it as 2 hours or 3 hours after this time, you need to again provide the access token because the session will be expired, and you need to again come here and copy the access token or generate the access token again and copy and paste it here again, right? So, and then you will provide the access token and business account ID here. Then you will get a connected message here. Okay. So I will go inside the booking app and I will copy the WhatsApp business account ID. I will copy it from here and I will paste it here, right? And when I click the save, I will get a message as connected, tested successfully, credentials successfully connected. I will go back, no thanks, and here we will make it as send phone number. We will select this one and recipient phone number. We will get it from here inside the schema, inside the WhatsApp trigger. We will select the inside the contacts. We will select the WhatsApp ID from here. This one is the recipient phone number. And after this, we will go inside the message type will be text and text body will be output, right? So we will search the output from here. Inside the AI agent, we have output. We will drag and drop inside the text body, right? These are the settings and we will save it. And after this, we will click on, we will save it by clicking on publish, and we will click on don't show again. Got it. We will click here and we will click on execute workflow, right? After, let me close it from here. I will click the execute workflow and we'll go to the WhatsApp business, and here we will again send a message, hi, and we should get a response from the AI. And here you can see we got the message as hi there. Here's a response. What we have did, we have created a WhatsApp trigger and we send a message, and the AI has replied using the Google Gemini chat model and send a message using the send message node, and we got it here as hi there, right? Now what we will do, we will use this workflow and we will add some tools, and using those tools we will create hotel reservations, we will update reservations, we will cancel reservations, we will see our reservations that we have already made, we will update, make payments, and each and everything. For this purpose, you need a hotel reservation sheet. You will get the link of that specific hotel reservation sheet inside the description. You can get this hotel reservation from the link in the description, and you will go inside the file and you will make a copy inside your Google account, right? So after making a copy, you will use it inside the n8n, right? So what is inside the hotel reservation sheet? We have guest sheets, reservations, we have rooms. Inside the rooms, we have all the data for all the rooms that we have added, 8 rooms only. You can um, add as much as you can, and for the testing purpose, these are enough. And there are room numbers, room type, price per night, maximum capacity for the guests. We can add 4 guests for this room number 302, and these are the status. Under the maintenance status, this room will not be available to the guests, right? We will apply all the functionalities inside the n8n. And here inside the reservations, we have reservation ID, guest ID, WhatsApp number, check-in, check-out dates, guest count, status, created at, and for the Stripe payment, we have added a column, right? And inside the guests, we have already created a guest. We will remove it from here. And no, this one is the ready to use hotel reservation sheet. We have only rooms added. We have nothing in reservations, nothing in guests added, right? So we will add all the data using the n8n. So first of all, we will click on tools and we will add our Google Sheets to our n8n AI agent tool, right? Here we will search for Google Sheets. We will click on Google Sheets tool and here we have the get rows in sheets in Google Sheets, right? We will write it as get reservations, or we can write it as get rooms. We will create all the necessary Google Sheet tools. Here we will add as get rooms, and after renaming it, we will set up credentials. We will click on it and here we will redirect it to the Google Sheets account. We need to update the credentials, add the credentials. Here we have OAuth, redirect URL, client ID, and secret that we need to provide. We will go inside the read our docs for need help filling these fields. Click on it and here you will get all the necessary details for getting the client ID and client secret. Here if we go down, here we will get all the necessary steps, that is create a Google Cloud Console project, then enable APIs. We will enable all those APIs that are necessary for this n8n project. Configure your OAuth consent screen, create your Google OAuth client credentials, finish your n8n credential. These are very simple steps. So first of all, we will go for the create a Google Cloud Console project. Log into your Google Cloud Console. We will close this. You can read all the docs for creating the Google Cloud Console. So here inside the Google Cloud Console, we will create a project. I have already created some projects, but I will show you the process of creating a new project. I will click on new project and here I will write it as hotel reservation. Hotel reservation. And we will create it, right? We have successfully created the new project. We will click on the hotel reservation selected. We will go inside the API and services. Close this message. And inside the enable API and services, we will go inside the library and we will complete the second step, that is enabling the APIs. So we will first search for Google API and Google Drive API. We will enable it. Click on Google Drive API. We will enable this one. And after this, we will search for Google Sheets. So these two APIs need to be enabled for our n8n project. We will go back. We will go again to APIs and search for Google Sheets. We will also enable this Google Sheets API. And after enabling it, we will go back. We automatically go back to enabled API and services. We will click on credentials. Inside the credentials, we have create credentials to access your enabled APIs. Remember to configure the OAuth consent screen with information about your application. So first of all, we will go inside the OAuth consent screen. And Here we will click on Get Started. Here we will add the app name as Hotel Reservation, Hotel Reservation app. Support email as test.code.swan@gmail.com. Next, audience, external. Next, contact information. I will again provide a Gmail. I agree, continue, and create. These are very simple steps. Don't worry at all. And after this, we will go inside the branding. Inside the branding, we have the hotel reservation app, user support email, app domain, application homepage, and here inside the authorized domains. And here we will add a authorized domain for our hotel reservation n8n. So what will be the authorized domain? It will be hostinger.cloud. I will copy it from here, and here I will paste hstgr.cloud. We will save it after adding this domain, and now we will go inside the audience. We will go inside the clients. Here we will again click on create client, and application type will be web application, and the name will be hotel reservation. Hotel reservation. Inside the authorized JavaScript origins. After it, we have authorized redirect URIs. We will click on add URI, and we will copy it from here. This one is our OAuth redirect URL. Click to copy, and we will paste it here. We have added it here, and we will click on create. After creating it, we will copy the client ID and client secret from here. First of all, we will copy the client secret from here. I will paste it here, and we will copy the client ID as well. You have to copy client ID and client secret, as they are saying you will no longer be able to view or download the client secret once you close the dialog. So before closing this dialog, you must need to copy the client ID and client secret. Okay, close this, and after this we will click on sign in with Google. Credentials successfully created inside your personal space, right? We will click again, and we will get a pop-up for sign in with Google, and we will again click on that specific account that we have used for the Google Cloud Console. We have used the test.code.swan. We will click on it. Let me close it and check again. Here I will click on audience. We will go inside the audience, and here we will add our user account. Right inside the test users, we will click on add users, and here we will add our Gmail account that we are going to use. I will click on save. After saving it, we will go back and click on sign in with Google again. We will go inside the test dot, the same Gmail account. We will click on continue. We will click on select all, and we will go for continue, right? Connection successfully. Make sure to give access by clicking on select all and then continue, right? Account connected successfully. We will go back. No thanks, and here inside the get rooms, we have the Google Sheets account connected. Inside the tool description set automatically, and inside the resources, sheets, sheet within document, and inside the operations, we will click on get rows document. We will click on choose hotel reservation sheet. Sheet will be rooms because we are using get rooms. These are the some a little settings for the get rooms tool. We will go back. Enough for this. And after the adding this tool, we will add all our necessary tools that we are going to use for this n8n AI agent project, right? So we will quickly add all the necessary tools first, and then we will test it, right? So it's very easy. So that's why we will add all the necessary tools first. We will click on, let me click this one, Control C, click the Google Sheets, copy it, and then we will paste it here. And we will connect it to this one as well, right? We will take it from here. We will take it from here and connect it to like this, drag and drop from here to here, right? Very simple. Like we did in Excalibur or we do in or any other whiteboard tools, right? So it's simply drag and drop to connect it with this. And now after the get rooms, we will add it as get guests. We will create the get guests, and inside the get guests, we will use set automatically Google Sheets count, get rows, auto reservation, and it will be guests. And inside the filters, we will add a filter. Filter will be using the WhatsApp number, and the value will be WhatsApp ID. We will drag and drop it from here. JSON.contacts. After setting up for get guests, we will close it. And we will make another copy. We will connect it like this, and we will write it as get reservations, right? Get reservations, get rows, hotel reservation. We will click the reservations, right? And inside the filters, we will use WhatsApp number and WhatsApp ID as we did inside the get guests, right? Same for this as well. We will go back. After get reservations, we will create another one, make a copy. It will be get all reservations. Before we have created get reservations for finding the reservations for a specific WhatsApp number, but now we will get all reservations for all the guests. For example, all other users, all other WhatsApp numbers. For example, you, me, and any other else, right? Get all reservations, hotel reservations, get rows. We will remove the filter because we are going to get all reservations. Remove the filter, go back, and now we will create for the create a reservation. For creating a reservation, we will go inside the get all reservations. Number one, we will edit it as create reservation, and tool description set automatically, resources, shared within document. It will be append row because we are creating reservation. Append row, hotel reservation. Sheet will be reservations. Map each column manually. Reservation ID, we will set it as, we will provide a JSON. It will be as res RES plus date and time, right? And the result will be kind of this. So our reservation ID will be created as this one, right? You can go for full screen here, and we have added this JSON, and the output will be kind of this one, right? We are adding a string res, and we are generating the current time, right? Here you can see 2026 is the year, month, date, and time, right? Hours, minutes, and seconds. We will also create the guest ID with the help of that. Here we will write it as, for the guest, we will write G and remove the res, right? And it will provide a guest ID as like this one, right? After the guest ID, we have the room ID. Room ID will be defined automatically. WhatsApp number, we will provide it from here. JSON.contacts.WhatsApp ID. Check-in date, define automatically. Checkout date, define automatically. And guest count automatically. And after this, we will have the total price. It will be automatically get from the AI agent, and payment will be hard coded as pending. Initially, it will be pending, and payment method will be generated automatically. Status from the AI as well, and the created ad. We will use this thing, Control C, copy, and we will paste it here inside the created ad. We will remove the res, and here we are getting the current date and time by using the $now.true format, right? Here is the result. That means it's working fine. And start payment intent, we will keep it as empty, and we will save it. We will go back. Here is our create reservation tool. Now we will create a tool for add guest. Control C. We will copy it, paste it here, and we will rename it to add guest. Make it to type the names as it that I have typed, same to same. So the everything works fine for you as well, like for me, right? So you have to keep the name as it, like mine. And here I will write as append row because we are going to add a row, right? Append row, photo reservations, guests, map each column manually, guest ID, we will provide the JSON string. Oh, sorry. Let me copy it from here, create reservation. We will copy this JSON from create reservation, paste it here as well. We are getting the guest ID, and inside the name, define, we will click this one, define by the model. WhatsApp number from the WhatsApp ID. Age will be defined automatically. Gender, country, it will be provided by AI. And created ad will be, again I will paste that JSON, and then we will remove the G, and here we are getting the created ad. We will go back. Our ad guest has been completed as well. Now what we have, we will create for the update reservation. Oh, sorry, we will copy the get reservation, paste it here. This one is now copied here. Let me connect it with this one. We will write it as update reservations, remove the one from the end because we have copied this. That's why he automatically named it to reservation 1. Make it to correctly typed as I did. So each and everything works fine for you as well. Here we will write as operations update row because we are updating the reservations. It will be updating update reservation, not update reservations. So make sure to correct spelling, right? Hotel reservation, reservations, and after this mapping column mode will be map each column manually, and column to match on will be using reservation ID. We will map the column using the reservation ID, and here we have inside the reservation ID by the model guest ID. We will select only those that we need to update. We will delete the guest ID, delete the room ID, delete the WhatsApp number. We want to update the check-in date. So we will define by the model, checkout date defined by the model, and guest count, we will remove it, and total price defined by the model. Payment, we will remove this one. Payment method will be removed. Status will be removed, and total price will also be removed. Sorry, created ad will be removed. Total price will be used as defined automatically by the model. Stripe payment ID will be removed. So we will only update the check-in date, checkout, and total price. We will go back, and after the update reservation, we will go for the cancel reservation. We will copy this one, paste it here. We will write it as cancel reservation. Cancel reservation. Here we will write it as update row already selected. Cancel reservation, auto reservation, and reservations is selected. Map each column manually. Reservation ID. We will remove the check-in date, checkout date, total price, and column to send. We will update the status. Status as cancelled. Perfect. We will go back and rearrange it. After the cancel reservation, it will be add guest. Add guest, not guests. Add guest, right? Now it's time to stop the video and check all the tools names, compare them with mine, and rename it as like I did, right? Get rooms, get guests, reservations, get all reservation, create reservation, add guests, update reservation, cancel reservation, right? So you get the results as I receive. Now we have created all the necessary tools. Now we will go inside the AI agent, and here we will provide the AI prompt. Inside the prompt user message, we have the text.body, this one. And after this, we will provide the options. Inside the options, we will add the system message. We will add the system message, and here we will clear it. We will open it as full screen, and here we will copy and paste we will copy the AI prompt from here, and you will also get this AI prompt inside the description. I will provide the link inside the description, and all the necessary stuff you will get inside the description. I will copy it from here, will close it, and here I will paste the AI prompt. And if make sure the expression will be selected, not the fixed. It will be expression. Open the full screen, and here you can see all the. If I write here today's full date is this one, then you can here see the result, right? Inside the result, the JSON has been giving us the result, right? I will close it, and enough for this section as well. We will go back, we will publish it, click on publish. We will click on execute workflow. No, it's mean the workflow is executed, right? And now what we will do, we will go inside the WhatsApp business, and here we will write a message. But one important thing is, first we will go inside the send message, and we will click on it, and here we need to check if it's connected or not. Here you can see the WhatsApp account has not been connected, so that's why we will again get a new refresh access token. I told you earlier that it will be expired after 1 or 2 hours. I will click on generate access token, and maybe in future they will make it more or less or extend the period of expiring. I will click on reconnect, copy it from here, and we will select all and paste it here. We will click on save, and it will be connected. We will go back, no thanks. And now we will go inside the WhatsApp business, and here we will send a message. Let me clear the chat. I will clear the chat. And now I will type hi, and we will get the reply from the Malaysian Grand Hotel. I think something was broken, as we have provided the access token after clicking the execute button. That's why something has broken. Maybe we will stop it, and I will again click on execute workflow, and we will go inside the WhatsApp. We will again send a message, and here you can see our workflow is executing. Everything is working fine, and we get a message. Here we have the message, welcome to Malaysian Grand Hotel. I am Ilara, your personal concierge. Browse rooms, my reservations, create reservations, update reservations, cancel reservations. I will go for number 3, create reservation. And here we are getting the message as to find your perfect room, please share check-in date, check-out, and number of guests. We will send it as 26 to 29. 26 March to 29, and guests will be 3. And here you can see the reply with all the available rooms. Here are the available rooms. Room ID R003, R004, 5, 6, and 5, 7, and 8. Room number R006 has not been provided because That room is under maintenance. Here you can see R07 is under, R06 is under maintenance. That one, that's why he is not showing the R006, right? This one, that is under maintenance. And he's not showing the room number 1 and 2 as well because their maximum capacity per guests are 1, right? So it's working fine. We will select the room number 4, R004. And here we are getting the reservation summary as room deluxe R004, check-in, check-out, guests 3, and the total price for 3 nights, 26, 27, and 28. And price per night was $60 and multiply by 3 nights is equal to $180. Before we confirm your reservation, I need a few details: full name, age, gender, and country. We will provide it as John Doe, age 33, male, and country as Spain. We will enter. Here you can see who would you like to pay. Pay online or pay at check-in. We will click on pay at check-in because we have not set up the Stripe payment. We will click on number 2. And one more thing that is important is you should go inside the settings from here, and inside the settings you should set the time zone as your nearest, your local. I will select as Asia Karachi and save it. And if we go back inside the settings, here we will write it as save execution progress. Save. We will click on save, and now we are getting the reservation confirmed and reservation ID, check-in, check-out, room number, total amount, guests, and payment method. We look forward to welcoming you. If we go inside the guests, here you can see the guest has been saved with all the provided details. And if we go inside the reservations, you can see our reservation has been saved very cleanly, professionally, and correct, right? Each and everything is working perfectly. Perfect. Now we will test the cancel and update as well. Here we will write as update our reservation. Here you can see a message with which reservation would you like to update, showing only reservation eligible for modification. So here is the list. We have only one reservation, so that's why he's showing only one, right? So I will select it as 1, that is for room R004, that is from 26 to 29. We will update this one. And here you can see, please provide the new check-in and check-out dates for reservation. Reservation ID, this one, right? Here we will provide the new dates. We will make as 26 March to 28. Your reservation has been updated to check in on 26 March 26 and check out on 28 March 26. 28 March 2026. The new total price is 120, right? The price has been also updated and the dates are updated to 26 to 28, right? If we go back, here you can see 26 to 28 and price is updated according, right? In case sometime you don't not get a reply, you can simply click on execute workflow and then you will get the reply, right? Now here we will go for the cancel a reservation. Which reservation would you like to cancel? We will select this one. We have only one reservation. We will reply with one and click on enter. And our reservation will be set to cancelled. The reservation has been cancelled. If you paid online, a refund will be processed within 5 to 7 business days. Right? If we go inside the sheets and check if our reservation has been cancelled or not, you can see the status has been cancelled. Perfect. That means each and every feature that we have currently built is working fine. No, but we will go for the Stripe payment. We will complete the Stripe payment process. For that feature, we will create another workflow and we will need our trigger as like we created for the first workflow. So we will open the Sheets trigger. We will go inside the Google Sheets and we will go inside the triggers. Inside the triggers, we will open the on row updated. We will select this one and we will rename it as Stripe payment trigger. Stripe payment trigger, set up credentials. We will provide the client ID and client secret as we already did earlier from the Google Cloud Console. So we will go inside the Google Cloud Console. We will go inside the clients. We will go inside the hotel reservation. Copy the client ID. Copy the client secret. We will copy it from here. In case you don't make a copy, then you can create another secret as well. If you don't able to copy this one, then you can create another one and copy it. Okay. I will paste it inside the client secret and sign in with Google. Go for the saved email. Click it. I will go again for signing with Google. Click again. I think there was a network error. Click continue and click continue. Right. Connection successful. Account connected. Go back. No thanks. We will close this one and I will open it again. Google Sheets trigger account. All times. Every minute. And documents. We will hotel reservation. Sheet will be reservations and trigger on row added. Each time a row will be added, that's mean each time a reservation will be created or added, this Stripe payment trigger will be triggered, and it will check if the payment is for Stripe. Then we will make all the workflow. Okay, trigger on row added, and we will go back, and we will also connect another node to this one. We will click on plus, and here we will add a if node, and inside this if node, here we will click on execute previous node to get the values, and here we will copy the payment method, this one. Inside the first value, we will check if the payment method is equal to Stripe or the payment method is equal to Stripe with capital S. Then do what? Then we will add a other node, and it will be a HTTP request. It will be a post request. We will send a request to the Stripe, and here the URL will be the checkout/sessions. We will go inside the Stripe. Let me open the Stripe. Stripe.com. I have already created a account on Stripe, and if you have not created a Stripe account, then create a developer account. It will be completely free to use it for development purpose, for testing purpose, and if your country is not supported, then simply select another country and create a Stripe account, right? I will go inside the developers, API keys. Here you will get all the publishable keys and secret keys, right? Don't copy mine because they will not work for you. And now what we will do, we will open the Stripe documentations. Here we will click on developers, and we will open the API reference inside the documentation. We are inside the docs.stripe.com/API. Here we will go down, and here we will click on checkout sessions, because we will use the checkout session to complete the Stripe payment, right? Inside the checkout sessions, we will click on create a checkout session. We will create a checkout session. We can also use the curl, and using the curl, it will automatically take the values and all of the stuff. But we will go for manually. We will create a checkout session manually. We will provide all the details, like we will provide line items. Inside the line items, for payment mode, this is the maximum. You can read all the stuff for your mind clearance, right? We will provide the metadata. We will provide the mode as payment, right? Return URL, success URL. It will be provided as inside the HTTP request. So let's go inside the HTTP request. We will select the post, and inside the URL, we will write it as, we will copy it from here. We will go inside the create a checkout session. Inside the checkout session, we will copy this address, till sessions, Control C. We will paste it inside the URL. it will be post request and URL will be api.stripe.com/v1/checkout/sessions, right? And authentication will be none, and we will provide the headers. Send headers, we will click this one, and here we will write specify header as using fields below. Inside the headers, header 1 will be name as content type, and value will be application slash x dash www dash form URL encoded, right? It will be form dash URL encoded, right? And we will add another header. It will be authorization, and the value will be bearer. We will provide the token. We will copy the token. Now secret key. Click to copy, and we will paste it here. We will give some space and provide the token, right? Bearer and secret key, right? After this, we will send the body as well. And inside the body, we will write it as JSON, specify body as using fields below. Body parameters, inside the body field 1, we will write it as metadata, reservation ID, metadata reservation ID. Value will be line items. Sorry, value will be Stripe payment trigger. Let me copy it from here. Reservation ID, we will drag and drop it here. And we will add another body field. It will be quantity. Line items. We will write it like this, line item 0 and quantity. It will be 1 because the amount will be, because the quantity will be 1 for one reservation, right? And we will also provide the name for the product, add body field, and here we will write it as, let me copy it from here. Here we will edit it like price data and product data. And name. Line items first, and the value will be hotel reservation. Hotel reservation, right? And after this, we will add another field. It will be, let me copy it from here, and we will edit it like line item 0, and we will write it as price data and unit amount. Unit amount, and it will be total price, right? And we will multiply it with 100, right? Perfect. Because here the amount is in cents. And after this, we will add another body field. It will be copy it from here, and it will be currency, price data currency. Currency and the value will be USD. We will provide the amount in USD and we will send the mode as payment. Add another body field, it will be success URL. Success URL and the value will be http:// WhatsApp address. It will be whatsapp.me/ the phone number, right? We will copy it from here. We will copy it from here and remove the braces and the space as well. After this, we will provide the cancel URL as well. Cancel URL and we will copy and paste it here. It will be same and we will provide the WhatsApp number as well. WhatsApp number. And here it will be drag and drop. Stripe payment trigger, items.json, WhatsApp number. Perfect. After this, we will recheck it. After this, we will go back and here we will connect the send message node. We will copy the node from here, the send message node, copy it, paste it here. We will, sorry, what it's dying. Okay, we will connect it here. We will open it and here we will write it as payment link message. Payment link message. It will be WhatsApp account message send and here the test number, recipient's phone number. WhatsApp number. Sorry, let me. WhatsApp number. Message type text. And text body will be this one. Please complete your payment using the link below for your reservations. Type payment trigger item.json, the reservation ID. Once your payment is confirmed, your reservation will be finalized. Right? We have to write the message as it and we will go back and we will check this one, right? So what we will do, we will publish this one, publish it, and I think there is an internet connection problem. I have opened this one in new tab and I will click on format and publish again. Now it will be published and I will execute workflow and we will create a reservation with the Stripe payment. I will send a message with create reservation, right? And here everything is working fine. I will provide the check-in and check-out dates. from 28 March to 2029, and guests will be 4, right? Here are the available rooms for 4 guests. Room number R007 and R008. I will select the room number 7. Reservation summary. How would you like to pay? Pay online, Stripe. We will send as pay online Stripe. And we have reservation ID, room site R007, check-in 28, checkout, guest, payment method, pay online Stripe. A secure payment link will be sent shortly. Your reservation is held for 30 minutes, right? If we execute this one manually, then you will see everything is working fine, but problem involved payment link. Reference node does not exist. Let me check. Let me minimize it. WhatsApp number, we will remove it from here and we will copy the phone number again and we will open this expression as well. Stripe payment, reservation ID. We will remove it from here and we will provide the reservation ID again from Stripe payment trigger. This one is the reservation ID. Perfect. Right. And we are getting the checkout, payment checkout message as well. Right. Perfect. Here we will click on execute step. Here we execute workflow again. So what we have to do, we will open the payment link message and here we have to write it as toString, right? You have to copy as you have to write it as I did, and now we will execute workflow again. I will work on. As you can see, we are getting a payment link. Perfect. Now what we have to do, we will create another workflow for the verify payment, so that when we will click on this link and we will go to redirect it to the Stripe checkout and we will make the payment, then we need to verify that payment. And while verifying that payment, we will create another workflow, and inside that workflow we will also update the reservation. Here you can see that we have created the Stripe, and we will also update the Stripe payment intent, and we will also update the payment status, right? And this reservation status as well, right? Perfect. So what we will do, we will create a trigger for payment verification. We will click on plus icon and here we will open the Stripe. Inside the Stripe, we will go down and here we will open the triggers. Inside the Stripe triggers, we will select on payment intent. On payment intent succeeded. We will select this node, trigger node, and we will name it as payment verification trigger. payment intent succeeded and set up credentials. We will provide the secret key and the signature key, right? We will copy the secret key from here. I will copy it from here and paste it here. After pasting it, we will close this. Let me close it from here. No thanks. Let me paste it again and we need to save it as well. Credentials successfully created inside your personal space. Connection tested successfully, right? We will go back. No thanks. And now what we will do, we will go back and sorry. After this type payment verification trigger, we will create a HTTP request node. So let me copy it from here, Control C, and here we will provide it as. So we will connect it with this HTTP request. We will open the HTTP request and here I will write it as, we will keep it as, and the method will be get request. Method will be get request and URL will be sessions and authentication none, send headers, obviously, and it will be content type, application, authorization, send body, JSON. Here we will remove all the body parameters that are existing. We will delete all these one and we will add a body field and we will execute previous nodes. Actually, we will close this one and we will. So in order to send the payment intent ID inside the body, we need to execute the payment verification trigger and we will make the payment. So when we will make the payment after triggering the payment verification trigger, we will get the payment intent ID and that ID we will use to send with the body using the get request for this URL checkout sessions and then we will send that payment intent ID with this request. Then we will receive the metadata inside the output. So let's do this. First, we will execute workflow. And after this, we will let me publish it first. I will publish it. Cancel it. Execute workflow again. And now we will make the payment, right? Then we will click the checkout link. We will be redirected to the payment page, right? And the hotel reservations payment is $100. As you can see here inside the sheets, total price is $100. So we will make the payment using the test card. We will click on pay. And here you can see we are redirected to the WhatsApp page. I will close it because we have already opened the WhatsApp. So now what we will do, here we are getting the payment intent ID inside the payment verification trigger, data and object and ID. And here you can see the payment intent ID as PI. That's mean payment intent. Okay. So we will use this one. We will drag and drop it here, and inside the body field name, I will write it as payment intent. Payment intent, right? And here inside the output, you can see we, after sending this payment intent ID along with this get request using the body, we are getting the metadata here. Here, this one. This one is the metadata, and inside the metadata, we are getting the reservation ID. Using that reservation ID and this WhatsApp number, we can update the reservation as paid and confirmed, payment as paid, and reservation status as confirmed. And we can also send the message using this WhatsApp number as your your payment has been received, and like you can say which message we want to deliver, right? So we will go back, and here we will add a sheet node that will be update row. Update row in sheet, right? And the name will be update row in sheet as it Google Sheet account selected. Update row operation. Document will be hotel reservation. List will be reservations. Map each column manually. And here we will write the values to update will be reservation ID. Columns to match on, it will be reservation ID. And values to update will be payment verification trigger. And from here we will get the metadata. Inside the metadata, so we have to open the HTTP request, this one. And inside this one, we will get the metadata, this one. We will provide the reservation ID. And after the reservation ID, we will delete the guest ID, room ID, WhatsApp number, check-in, check-out, guest count, total price, payment. We will update it to paid, and payment method don't need. Reservation status will be confirmed. Created at type payment intent. We will update the intent. We will search it, payment intent. It should be here. This one. This one is the payment intent, right? Okay. Now you can see it clearly, payment intent, and we will go back, and after this we will send a message, right? We will copy this node, and we will open it, and here we will write as payment confirmation message. Payment confirmation message. WhatsApp account message sent, test number, recipient's phone number, message type, text, and text body will be. We will open it, and we will paste the message. We will select all and paste the confirmation message here, right? And one thing that we have made a mistake here, it will be we will select it from here, right? Perfect. We will inside the payment confirmation message, and here everything is working fine. Here you can see. We will go back to n8n and we will execute the use, right? After executing these two workflows, we will get the payment link, another payment link, and we will make the payment by going to that payment link. We will use the test card, make the payment, and we have successfully updated the sheet. This node trigger has been executed. You can see here we got the payment as paid, status as confirmed, and the Stripe payment intent. Perfect. And we got error in payment confirmation message node. We will open it, and here what we are getting, invalid expression. So here we have to select for the HTTP request. Let me close this one, clear this one, and we will add the WhatsApp number. It will come from the metadata WhatsApp number, right? Perfect. We will execute the step again, and we will please check your credentials. Let me check again. This one, our access token has been expired. We will go inside the Meta developer account, generate access token, reconnect it, copy the access token from here, paste it, save, connection tested successfully, no thanks, execute step, and we will get a message. Perfect. Here you can see reservation payment has been received for your reservation, and thank you for choosing Election Grand Hotel. We look forward to welcoming you. Perfect. Our payment link and payment confirmation, both workflows are working fine. And now what we will do, we will create a workflow for the cancel payment, cancel reservation, and payment refund for the Stripe payment, right? So what we will do, we will create another workflow. We will copy this node and paste it here. We will make it for the Stripe refund trigger. We will check whenever the row is updated to the cancelled, then we will trigger this Stripe refund trigger workflow. So we will check for the cancelled like this one. If the payment is Stripe and the status is cancelled, then we will trigger the Stripe refund workflow, right? So credentials are already connected every minute. Hotel reservation, reservations, row updated, includes new variant. Options will be columns to watch, and we will watch the status, that is reservation status, right? That is reservation status. And after this, we will go back and create a if node. And inside this if node, we will check the status, execute previous node. Here we will check the status that is cancelled, and if it's equal to cancelled, Control C, Control V, cancelled, and here we will write it as to lowercase. We will always get a lowercase cancelled, right? Is equal to cancelled, then do what? Then we will create an other if node. We will copy, paste it here, link it with this one, and here inside this we will write it as if the Stripe refund trigger in the payment method. Sorry, we will select all, and first of all we will clear it, and now we will use the payment method. Stripe refund trigger payment method is equal to in the payment method is equal to Stripe, add another condition, and payment intent. Stripe payment intent is equal to is not empty. Is not empty, right? If the payment method is Stripe and Stripe payment intent is not empty, it should meet both conditions. Stripe payment intent should not be empty. That means the payment will be paid, and payment method is equal to Stripe. Then only trigger this workflow, right? So we updated the conditions, and here what we will do, we have a HTTP request. We will copy this HTTP request, paste it here, and we will link it with this if node, right? We will open this one, and here what we have, we will send a post request, and here we will remove these checkout sessions and write it as refunds, and authentication none, using fields below, content type, application, encoded, authorization, barrier, token, send body content type JSON, safety, specific body using fields below. Inside the body parameters, we have payment intent only. We will remove other things. We will only send the payment intent. JSON body fields, we will send the payment intent only, like we did for the verification payment. Payment intent and value will be from the Stripe refund trigger. Payment intent, right? We will go back and we will copy this sheet from here and link it with this one. Update row in sheet, and here the options will be update row, auto reservation, reservations, reservation ID to match, and here we will clear this field and we will provide the reservation ID from the Stripe refund trigger. We will again drag and drop, and after this we will update the payment and delete the status, delete the Stripe payment intent. Payment will be refunded. we will hard code it as refunded, right? We will go back, and after this, we have our Stripe payment refunded message. We will copy this message from here, connect it with this one, and open it. Stripe refunded message, right? And here inside this refunded message, what we will do, we have WhatsApp call, message, send, test number, recipient's phone number. We will remove the recipient phone number and add it from here. And we will also do one thing as well, that is WhatsApp number dot toString. Dot toString. We will write it as like this, right? Message type will be text and text body will be, we will open it in full screen, clear this message, and we will copy and paste for the Stripe payment refunded. Paste it here. Your reservation has been cancelled. Refund of payment has been initiated. Perfect. Here we will also provide the else statement. That is, if the payment is not equal to Stripe and the payment intent is empty, then do what? Then send a reservation cancelled message, right? We will open it, and here we will write as reservation cancelled message and no refund because no payment has been made. Reservation cancelled message, right? We have message and test number. We will clear this and again add the WhatsApp number because this one is a good practice, because we have copied this node from another workflow. So we need to update it again. Bucket, message type, text and text body. We will open it in full screen. Control A, clear, and we will copy and paste the reservation cancelled message. That will be no payment was made, so no refund is available. Perfect. We will execute the workflow. We will open it, and here we will make it as toString. Perfect. We will execute the step again. And we get a message. We got a message. Your reservation has been cancelled. No payment was made, so no refund is available. Because this one is the cancelled. If we again execute the workflow, then we are getting the message. If we make it confirmed, and if we make it cancelled for the Stripe payment, then you can see, actually we will do it from the WhatsApp, right? It's confirmed and it's cancelled. We will write it as cancel our reservation. Let me go back, and actually we should make it confirmed, otherwise we will again and again get a message, because we have created both reservations from this WhatsApp number, right? So what we will do, we will make it confirmed and confirmed, and know what we will do, we will make it as cancelled from here, manual, for the Stripe payment cancelled, and when we will trigger the execute workflow, then our workflow will go here. As you can see, we are going here. These two conditions met the criteria, and that's why this trigger and Stripe payment refunded message has been issued. Your reservation has been cancelled. Refund of $100 has been initiated. It will reflect in 5 to 7 business days. Perfect. Great. Now, if you go inside the HTTP request, actually, we should go inside the Stripe, and here we go inside the transactions. Then you will get to know here $100 of refunded has been initiated. That means our workflow has been executed correctly. Perfect. After this refund, we have we need to create another workflow for the reservation reminder. For example, for the reservation ID, this one, this reservation is for tomorrow. The check-in date is for tomorrow, and we should get a reminder message for this reservation. So for this purpose, we will create another workflow, and it will be we will add a schedule trigger. So here we will write it as schedule trigger, and we will name it as reservation reminder. Reservation reminder trigger. Schedule trigger. That is the actual name of this node. So we get to know which node name we have used. Perfect. Now what we will do, we will use these between triggers 1. Trigger at hours, it will be 9 a.m. Each day at 9 a.m. we will get a message for the reservation reminder. And trigger at minutes will be 0, 9 o'clock, and we will join it with get rows. Get rows, we will open the Google Sheets, and here we will select the get rows in sheet. Google Sheet, get rows, hotel reservation, reservations. It will check the reservations, and filter will be status. We will check the status, that is reservation status, if it is cancelled or not, right? If it is confirmed or not, right? So this reservation status is confirmed, so we will write it as confirmed. After this, we will go back and we will add a core node. We will select this code node, code in JavaScript, and here the code that we will use. Run once for all time JavaScript, and we will clear all the code from here. Open it in full screen, and we will copy and paste the code, and you will get that code in, and the link will be in description, right? I will copy and paste it here. You can also copy it from the link is in description, and execute previous nodes. If we execute the step, then you will get the data here. The status that has confirmed status, we are getting it inside the output. And the reservation that is cancelled, we are not getting that reservation for the reservation reminder. So we will add a send message node. We will copy it from here, paste it here, and here we will rename it as payment reservation reminder message. Reservation reminder message, right? Reservation reminder message. And we will edit it as per our needs. WhatsApp count, send, test number, recipient's phone number. We will clear it and we will get it from code in JavaScript. WhatsApp number, we will add it here. We will convert it into string. We will open the text body, clear it, and we will copy and paste the reservation reminder message, right? So I will paste it here. You can also copy and paste from the link is in description, or you can write it from here. We will execute this workflow manually, and we will get a reservation reminder message. You can see checking tomorrow, reservation ID, election grand hotel, room, check-in, check-out, guest stay, total $120. We got the reservation reminder for this confirmed reservation. We did not get a reservation reminder for the cancelled reservation. Perfect. Now we have created all the necessary workflow, all the features we have created for the create reservation, cancel reservation, update reservation, my reservations, and browse rooms. We have created for the payment trigger, for payment verification, for Stripe refund trigger. We have created for the reservation reminder. You can see we have created all using no code, right? We have created all this with only drag and drop, and you can see we tested every single part of this system. Everything you just saw is live, working, production ready. This is not a concept. This is a real deployable system that you can have running for your own business. So if you really like this video, then please like and share. And if you get any error or need any help in creating the n8n project or purchasing the hostinger or any other help, then you can also contact me. I will definitely help you. And if you want to buy the hosting from the hostinger, then you should use the link that is in the description, and I have already provided the coupon code. You will get an initial discount, right? And if you need any help, if you got any error, if you stuck at any place inside this project or any other project that I have uploaded, then you can simply contact me. So if you really like this video, then like and share with your friends as well, and subscribe the Usman Codes channel. So see you in next video. Take care.